October 3rd, 2016. Looks like my prediction was off. I'm so glad because Jamaica is a little bit safer. Never been to Jamaica, wouldn't mind going. Yeah, man. But we have some other problems. Looks like since it turned so drastically and so fast, it's actually going the opposite direction. It's heading northeast now. About 2 a.m. Tuesday, it's going to start going towards the coast of Haiti. The folks of Haiti and this part of the town, this part of the country, excuse me, and all the way very far east to Port-au-Prince. I mean, they're gonna get slammed, and yeah, I mean, part of Jamaica is gonna get hit too. But these guys on the right side over here of this storm, they are definitely gonna get attacked hard because that's where all the power is, and they already are getting hit. Let's see if we can't find a webcam. And over here on the west side of Jamaica, we have Rick's Cafe. It's like a nice place. Don't look too bad. Yeah, and that's about right in here on the west side of the island. Okay, I'm glad they're safe. But we have people over in Haiti. They're just what they need. They've already had lots of their money that the U.S. And other people in the whole world contributed to their cause. Back in, I think, 2009. And the Clinton Foundation squandered all that money away, and less than 2% of it got to them. That's terrible. Yeah, man. Good to end this. Poor folks in Haiti. Feel sorry for them. Guantanamo. And on up here into the Caribbean islands. The Bahamas. I mean, it looks like it's going to follow this line. And who knows what it's doing. I mean, right now it's doing some crazy stuff. It's basically going right and north. It's going west. It's all of a sudden turned. It's going straight towards the coastline over here of Haiti. That's just crazy. Anyway, prediction failed. Number 2. I'm 50-50 so far. It's just the way it goes. Weather's especially difficult. Peace out, guys.